In this video, I'll show you how to report a fake Facebook account using your phone. Reporting fake profiles helps keep the platform safer and prevents people from pretending to be someone else. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type the name of the account you believe is fake. From the search results, tap on the profile to open it. Once you are on the profile page, tap the three dots located near the top of the profile. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Find Support or Report Profile. Facebook will then show a list of reasons for reporting the account. Select the option that best describes the issue, such as pretending to be someone or fake account. After selecting the reason, follow the instructions on the screen and tap Submit to send the report. Facebook will review the report and take action if the account violates their policies. Reporting helps protect other users and keeps the community safer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.